adjective. Lekker is our adjective. Tasty. Banana is our the. So in case of accusative feminine case, what is the ending? Is e. So air is the. Lekker a banana. So now in case of this is ice, das ice, ice cream. So is ऐसा I eat the shoes means sweet. So sweet shoes is our adjective. And what will be the adjective ending in case of accusative metro? The ending will be e. So is ऐसा das shoes ice. Is ऐसा das shoes ice. Now in case of plural, take an example. Is leisure. Leisure is to read. Is leisure the interessanten Bücher. So why interessanten? Because Bücher is our plural. It is accusative plural. So in case of accusative plural, ending will be en. So interessanten Bücher. I read the interesting books.